Hey everyone, okay, so this is my May Sew Sampler, so let's see what we got. I'm kind of excited. It says May Days. And Jelly Glazed Hearts Table Runner. Let's see what we got. Oh. Alright, so we got Wonder Pins. Let me scooch you in, you guys. That way we can see this a little bit better. So Wonder Pins, are they different than Wonder Clips? Wonder Pins are the value of $16.98. They're by Clover. Let's see what they look like. Are they different than... Oh, wow. They are different, you guys. This is weird. Oh, okay. So... Oh, they come out this way. Alright. So they're pins and... That's pretty neat. Okay. So... Good job. Okay, I like that. And they're expensive. $16.98, guys. And then we got Olfa 45mm Endurance. I have yet to buy one of these. I buy the ones on Amazon, the ones that you get like 20 of them for like 12 bucks. They're called titanium or something. I have no problem with them. They're like gold or something, and so I've never bought one of these. So this will be fun to use. So, and that is for $14.98. Yeah, $14.98. That's why I haven't bought it yet. Okay, and then we have, let's see. We have the Peaceful Baskets. The Peaceful Baskets, and let's see. That is a value of $4.98. And then we got this, which, let me see what this is. My mom and I, we just went shopping the other day. And starch-free ironing and smoothing spray. And she got some Best Press. I prefer starch. So this will be fun to try. It's called Flatter. So, and it's got a little spray nozzle and everything. So I'll try this. I actually think that's pretty cool. It's $10.74. So, and then here is the pattern, Spring Ivy. This one's really pretty. This is really pretty. I like that. Spring Ivy pattern is $9.98. And we get a jelly roll. Is it a full? I think it's a half a jelly roll. Oh, Clover and Dot. I don't think I have this one, Clover and Dot. No, I don't think I did buy this one yet. So cool. Okay, so this month's Sew Sampler box I really like. Yeah, I like everything. I like it all. So this one's a winner. Winner chicken dinner. So I will continue to I will continue to stay with them. So because this is a really good one. I'm really happy with it. Alright guys, so what do you guys think? Pretty cool. Let me switch it back out. And we can see this together. So yeah, I'm happy. I think it's like 50 bucks. I don't know what I never remember what the price is, but I think it's 50 bucks. Alright guys, take care. We'll see ya. Bye.